In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recharge your Lebara SIM card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The best way to recharge your SIM card for Lebara is through their website. So using a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to www.mobile.lebara.com. Make sure that the region is set up properly, and you can change it over here on the bottom of the page if necessary. And once you find the website for your respective region, you will be able to click Top Up, usually located at the top of the page. By clicking Top Up, you can browse through all of the plans that they offer, and you can choose the one that is best for you. You can select View Plan Details over here on the bottom right corner of each plan, and you can browse through all of the features included. Once you find a plan that satisfies you, click Buy Now at the right side and you will be redirected to the login page. In here, log in using your credentials and follow through the instructions to finish your top up. Sadly, I won't be able to progress further because I don't have a Lebara account set up at the moment, but as long as you finish the process through this page, you will be able to recharge your SIM card. Alternatively, if you are having issues or if you don't wish to do this process through the website, you can go back to the main page, hover over Help, and then select Support from the drop-down menu. Scroll down further and then click Contact Us, and you will be able to call them and get in touch with their customer support, who will be able to help you top up through any other means. I hope I was able to help you on how to recharge your Lebara SIM card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.